Okay. Anjali, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's exciting webinar on opportunities in IT sector and core industries for electrical engineering graduates. In today's fast evolving technological landscape, electrical engineering graduates are not limited to traditional roles within power systems and electrical infrastructure. With advancements in fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, renewable energy automation, and the Internet of Things, the scope for electrical engineers is broader than ever before. The IT sector, in particular, offers abundant opportunities ranging from software development to embedded systems, which are integral to various industries. To shed light on these opportunities and guide us on how to harness the potential in both the IT sector and core industries, we have an expert speaker with us today. Okay, so let me introduce first to the head of the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, Dr. Deepak Bankar, an esteemed professor and head of the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University College of Engineering, Pune. With over 23 years of teaching and research experience, Bankar sir is a prominent figure in the field of renewable energy systems, and power system protection. Bankar sir holds a PhD degree in electrical engineering along with ME in electrical power systems and BE in electrical engineering. He has contributed significantly to academia, having guided 6 PhD students with 3 awarded and 14 MTech students under his guidance. Dr. Bankar sir has been instrumental in shaping the department. He is currently serving as the chairman of Board of Studies and the NAC IQAC coordinator at Bharati Vidyapeeth University. Additionally, he holds 2 patents to his name, showcasing his innovation in his field. He also has published 25 plus research papers in international journal, which are indexed in reputed journals, and 12 plus papers in international conferences. With a distinguished career in both teaching and research, Dr. Bankar sir continues to lead advancements in electrical engineering and renewable energy solutions. So we welcome Dr. Deepak Bankar sir. Now, let me introduce to the panelists of the today's webinar. So we have 2 prominent panelists today with us. Those are from industries. The first panelist is Mr. Sandeep Madhukar Kulkarni sir. He is an experienced professional with 22 years of expertise in both industrial and teaching sectors. With a strong academic background, he holds a BE in electrical engineering from Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, ME in electrical power system from Government College of Engineering, Pune, and an MBA in finance from Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune. Mr. Kulkarni has spent 16 years in industrial sector with MACDCL, that is State Electricity Board, where he gained extensive experience in testing, erection, and commissioning and operation and maintenance of electrical systems. Nobly, he's managed rupees 40 crore infrastructural development projects involving the erection of multiple substations, laying of underground cables, and installation of transformers and feeder pillars. His work in energy audits, loss reductions, and electrical theft detection has had a significant impact on improving distributed networks. In addition to his industrial experience, Mr. Kulkarni has 6 years of teaching experience. He has taught a wide range of subjects in electrical engineering at institutions like AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, Zeal College of Engineering and Research, and currently serves as a visiting faculty member at Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University College of Engineering, Pune, where he teaches power system economics and restructuring and power system planning and reliability. He is also actively involved in consultancy work with Madhumalti Electricals and is a learning partner with Reliance Infrastructure and their Reliance Energy Management Institute, that is REMI. We have the second panelist that is belonging to the IT sector. She is also an alumna of Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University College of Engineering 2021 pass out, Miss Anjali. She is having a highly skilled data professional with approximately 4 years of experience, specialization in advanced analytics, process optimization, and stakeholder engagement. Ms. Anjali has a strong focus on bridging technical capabilities with business goals. Currently, she is working in the US healthcare industry where they manage PHI data in compliance with HIPAA regulations. She has played a crucial role in driving data-driven solutions by developing and maintaining Power BI dashboards that track key healthcare metrics, supporting operational efficiency and strategic initiatives. With experience from innovator in data operations and sustenance engineering, as well as prior work as a data engineer in LTI Mindtree, Ms. Anjali has successfully applied AI tools for market analysis and decision making and has developed over 80 Power BI reports for regulatory compliance and strategic reporting. Her expertise also extend to process optimization, having identified inefficiencies and implemented improvements in workflows while also leading stakeholder management efforts to enhance client satisfaction. So we welcome you on board. So we have all the panelists as well as our head of the department, Dr. Bankar sir. To begin with, I would like to invite Dr. Deepak Bankar sir to give us a brief overview of today's webinar. Over to you, Bankar sir.
Thank you, Professor Vishal, for nice introduction. Very good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. D.S. Bankar, Professor and Head of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be University College of Engineering, Pune. Today, we are here to discuss the various opportunities in the market for employment for students who pursue electrical engineering. Basically, what is engineering? Nowadays, almost every family has at least one engineer, so most people have some understanding what engineering is and what kind of job he or she is doing. So basically, engineering is the application of scientific principles and mathematical knowledge to design, develop, and build solutions to real-world problems, aiming to improve existing system, structure, and technologies. Engineering has applications in many fields, including construction, energy, design, and even biomedical sciences. The role of an engineer is to innovate and improve the system in a cost-effective way. Many of you are familiar with different branches of engineering. In 1980s and 1990s, the mainly civil, chemical, mechanical, electrical, and electronics were the major disciplines, and the engineer who obtains any of the specialization, he has to do multiple operations from other disciplines too. Later, computer science and information technology emerged. Electrical engineering is considered the mother branch from which electronics, computer science, and IT revolved. But nowadays, too much specialization in engineering branches is happening due to the different opportunities in the market, like artificial intelligence and data sciences, AI, machine learning, etc. So parents as well as students are getting confused which branch to select, which is a better option, whether do I get a good job after doing a specific branch or not. Practically, each and every branch is having equal opportunities and scope in the industry, and one can make his career in the domain without any difficulty, provided she has good academics and skill sets in the domain. So, Bharati Vidyapeeth has opened excellent platform and organized the series of webinars to discuss the various opportunities available in the market with specific skill sets needed in young technocrats to build their career. Before going to our today's experts, Mr. S.M. Kulkarni sir and Ms. Anjali, I would like to just mention the highlights of World Economic Forum Future Jobs Report 2025, which is mainly based upon the survey of 1,000 leading global employers collectively representing more than 14 million workers across 22 industry clusters and 55 economies from around the world. It mainly focuses the job opportunities and skill sets required during 2025 to 2030. The report mainly highlights the impact of three verticals. The first vertical is advancement in technology, mainly AI and robotics. Second, increasing cost of living ranks. And third one is climate change. So this report mainly presents the job opportunities considering all these three verticals, and the report has observed that Fastest growing roles will be in the big data specialist, fintech engineers, AI and machine learning specialists, and software and application developers. Renewable energy engineers, environmental engineers, and electric and autonomous vehicle specialists, all among the 15 fastest growing jobs, will be there on worldwide. The today generation has to adopt the analytical thinking, critical thinking, and resilience, flexibility, and agility skills, along with leadership and social influence to become successful in the market. So here I will take a small break and request Mr. S. M. Kulkarni sir to highlight the scope of electrical engineers in the market. After Anjali's talk about opportunities for electrical engineers in IT field, I will be highlighting about the BTech Electrical and Computer branch and its scope. Thank you.
So good morning. Thank you, Bankar sir, for giving me this opportunity to interact with you. So without wasting any time, we'll start our topic today, opportunities in the core industries for electrical engineering graduates. Generally, for taking admissions to the engineering field, people don't think about their own interest. The general question which is there from the parents and the students is, what is the scope for this particular branch? So scope means scope regarding the job opportunities or the entrepreneurship opportunities, business opportunities like that. So initially I want to clear one thing, that electrical, civil and mechanical engineering, these are the basic branches. And there is, from last so many years, there is no abnormal rise or fall in the scope regarding job opportunities, etc. for these branches. So it is growing steadily with a graph of 45 degrees inclination. So in today's world of AI, there are a lot of diversified opportunities for electrical engineering on the field as far as job opportunities are concerned and business opportunities are concerned. So this field is diversified field. Diverse job opportunities are there for electrical engineers. So what are the different fields where electrical engineers are having job opportunities? So power generation, transmission, distribution, electricity distribution companies, renewable energy like solar, wind, etc., etc. Then automotive like EVs nowadays, electric vehicle sector is flourishing like anything. So their electrical engineers are having a lot of opportunities. Then electronics and telecommunication. So manufacturing, electrical switch gear, cables, wires, switches. So those things are manufactured, and in those manufacturing industries, electrical engineers are having a lot of job opportunities, aerospace, aircraft, spacecrafts, healthcare, defense like DRDO. So this field is a diversified field. So diverse job opportunities are there, and depending upon one's interest, he can select the field and accordingly make his career in that particular field. Then what are the roles and responsibilities of the electrical engineers? So design and development. So what is this? Design and development. So in a simple way, suppose a complex, let's say a complex is there, let's say commercial or residential complex is there. And if you want to develop a electrification scheme for that, so first you have to design the electrification scheme for that particular complex. And then you have to procure the things. You have to prepare the BOQ first, book of quantities, what equipments or the uh, cables, transformers, etc., switch gears, etc., required for that. And accordingly, you have to prepare the estimate, BOQ, and then you have to go for erection and commissioning. So design and development, in that various interesting things are there. So you have to design, you have to calculate the electrical load by anticipating certain things, and then you have to design the distribution electrification scheme for that. So erection commissioning. So after design, you have to actually erect the things. So somebody may be interested in this particular field. Design is a office job, basically. Erection commissioning is a field job. So on the field, you have to erect those things as per design. You have to erect the things. So in design, you must be able to read and design, or you must be able to read and draw the wiring diagrams, etc. For that, CAD is required. So going for CAD or having a little bit knowledge of CAD, you will be able to flourish your career in design and development field. After that, erection commissioning, this is a field job. So if somebody is able to do a lot of hard work on the field, then he will be able to go for this particular thing, erection and commissioning. And next is operation and maintenance. So after erection and commissioning the assets, you have to maintain those assets. So regular or day-to-day operations of the switch gears and other equipments, and then its maintenance, proper maintenance. So maintenance is another field which is open for electrical engineering. Almost all the industries, they require electricity, and their maintenance things are carried out in a regular manner. So every industry requires a electrical maintenance engineer. Then manufacturing and productions. So manufacturing, as I said, manufacturing of switchgear, cables, switches, etc. In that, again, quality control, etc., those things are there. So if anybody is interested in this particular field, manufacturing, testing, quality control, then he may opt for that. He may go for that to make his career in this particular field. Then service support, consultancy and service support. So what is consultancy? What is service support? Consultancy means, as I said, if a commercial building or a residential complex is there, or any industrial industrial shed is erected, in that case, if somebody wants to design the entire electrification scheme for that, so consultant is required, and the job of the consultant is to design and develop the entire electrification scheme for that particular complex or for that particular industry. So this is also a good career opportunity for electrical engineers: consultancy and service support. Research and development, R&D, like for example, EVs are coming over there, electric vehicles. So on that, battery charging, etc., that is going on. So research is going on that. So research and development is also a field which is open for electrical engineers. Then licensing. So to carry out the erection and commissioning work on the field, you have to liaison with different government authorities. So for that, you must know different rules, regulations, and the act related to this particular thing. So if you are interested to gain the knowledge regarding the regulations, act, and other things, then you will be able to carry out such type of job, licensing job. So this will be a job opportunity or a business opportunity. You can act as a licensing officer independently as your own business, or you can join any company which is involved in this licensing job. So there also electrical engineers are absorbed and they are having a bright future for this particular thing. So next is energy auditor. It is certified by BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. So energy auditor, this kind of thing is very important nowadays to save the energy, because energy saving is saving of the environment. So energy auditor's job is also a important job. Bureau of Energy Efficiency conducts the examination of energy auditor. So just by appearing for that, electrical engineer, any fresh electrical engineering graduate can appear for this particular examination. And after having cleared those, if you clear those subjects, 4 subjects, then you will be certified by BE as an energy auditor. Then safety auditor, it is certified by DISH, Director Industrial Safety and Health. So safety auditor, there are different what you can say qualifications, minimum eligible qualifications. In that, electrical engineering is there. So electrical engineer may become safety auditor, but for that you have to what you can say, you have to get one added qualification is required for that. Advanced Diploma in Industrial Safety, ADIS, from Board of Technical Education, approved by Board of Technical Education. So Advanced Diploma in Industrial Safety, if you do that particular diploma, which is diploma of 1 year full time, along with your electrical engineering, then you will be able to get that license of safety auditor. Of course, 5 years experience, field experience is required for that. But fresh electrical engineer, after doing that ADIS, Advanced Diploma in Industrial Safety, along with electrical engineering, may be having opportunities in different industries like construction, chemical, and engineering industries as a safety officer. So you can join any industry, engineering industry, chemical industry, or construction industry as a safety officer. So if anybody wants to make his career in safety, then this thing is there for him if he goes for ADIS, Advanced Diploma in Industrial Safety. Then next is job opportunities. So where you will get, or where the job opportunities are there for electrical engineers, government, then state government. So GENCOs means generation companies, transmission companies, distribution companies, PWD, and electrical inspection department. So in generation, transmission, distribution companies, most probably initially you will be able to join as assistant engineer. In PWD and electrical inspection also, they will be having entrance test, interviews, and after that, you will be able to join as assistant engineer in these particular organizations, government organizations. And you may earn, say, 5 to 6 lakhs per annum after having this particular job. So government opportunities are there. Then central government, NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, PGCIL, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, SAIL, Steel Authority of India, GAIL, Gas Authority, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals, ONGC, BPCL, BARC, railways, nowadays metros, metro are there in metropolitan cities, so defense. So a lot of opportunities in central government are there for electrical engineers. Then private sector. So private companies, so lighting industry is there, Philips, Wipro, then transformer, switchgear, cable manufacturing companies, electrical maintenance engineering, all large scale industries, maintenance engineers are required. Electrical contracting firms. As I said, if anybody is interested in erection and commissioning sector, then he may opt for this particular thing. Large contracting firms are there. So for electrical engineer, job opportunities are there in the contracting firm, or if anybody wants to start his own business, then he can be a electrical contractor and he can start his own erection commissioning business. Electrical erection and commissioning means electrical equipment erection and commissioning business on the field. So electrical consultancy firm, as I said, consultants are there, big consultancy firms are there. So in those firms, electrical engineers are required. And if any electrical engineer wants to start his own business as a consultant, electrical consultant, then that is also possible. For that, you require a lot of knowledge regarding the rules, regulations, etc. Electrical equipment testing labs. So different testing labs are there. Electrical equipments are required to be tested, calibrated. So in those laboratories, electrical engineers are required, or any electrical engineer can start his own testing lab also. Consultancy firm, electrical contracting firms, dealer job opportunities as entrepreneurship. If somebody wants to start his own business, then he can start his own consultancy firm. So as I said, what is consultancy firm? So consultant will provide all types of drawings, electrical wiring drawings, and he will give the load, electrical load, etc., and different kinds of consultancy regarding rules, regulations, or for the erection and commissioning of the electrical equipments or electrical assets. So that is the major job of consultancy firms. So any electrical engineer can start his own business as a electrical consultant. Electrical contracting firm. So contractor license is issued generally from the Department of Industry, Energy and Labor of the state government. And after having licensed electrical means, if you get that license from the Industry, Energy and Labor Department for the electrical contracting firm, you can start your own erection commissioning business. So lot of opportunities because of the what you can say, industrialization, etc., modernization, industrialization. Lot of IT industries, they are flourishing like anything in metropolitan cities. And for those IT industries, big towers, big commercial buildings, they are erected, they are constructed. So everywhere you require a bulk amount of electricity, and to cope up or to cater that electrical load, you need to have lot of electrical infrastructure, distribution infrastructure for that. So sometimes you have to erect substations also along with the distribution transformers. So for that you have to lay high tension cables, you have to erect 22 by 11, 33 by 11 substations, and then after that 11 kV, 22 kV distribution scheme you have to erect distribution transformers. So electrical contracting firms, they are earning like anything. So a lot of opportunities are there. So even small firms, they will be having a turnover of 5 crore to 10 crores. And you can imagine, even if you consider 10% or 12 to 15% of the profit margin, then a lot of opportunities are there in contracting firms or consultancy firms. Then dealer distributionship. So you can go for this. If anybody is interested in marketing, then lot of requirement is there for the cables, switches, transformers, switch gears, ring main units, etc. So you can have dealership of all these equipments, electrical equipments, dealership or the distribution ship, and you can flourish your business in this particular sector. EHV, HV, LV, electrical lines, equipment, maintenance firms. So after erection of substations and the lines, you have to maintain those lines. So generally, annual maintenance contracts, AMCs, are signed by the particular consumers, electrical consumers, with the different firms, and you can have such type of contracts of annual maintenance. So through that, you can have business opportunities. Licensing for open access. So after the existence of Electricity Act 2003, open access is a new field, or actually the Electricity Act 2003 is a revolution in the power sector. And because of this existence of this Electricity Act 2003, open access is a new field for the electrical engineer, in which one can make his career. What is open access? Previously, to take any kind of connection, electricity connection, you have to approach to the concerned DISCOM, distribution company. But nowadays, any consumer having, previously it was 1 megawatt limit was there, 1 megawatt and above contract demand. Consumers having a contract demand of 1 megawatt and above, they can directly sign, or they can directly go for power purchase agreement with a generator which will be there in any part of the state. Now that limit is reduced to 100 kilowatt. So any consumer, you can imagine any consumer having contract demand 100 kilowatt or requirement of 100 kilowatt and above, can sign a power purchase agreement or go for power purchase agreement with any generator in the state directly with the consent of concerned DISCOM. So this is because this is possible because of open access. The consumer is not required to rely on the DISCOM nowadays. He can directly sign the power purchase agreement with the generator. So this type of field is there because of the Electricity Act 2003. Power trading. This is also a new business opportunity for electrical engineers. As I said, you can purchase the power from any generator directly. You can have power purchase agreements with any generator. So DISCOMs or large consumers, bulk consumers. So trading business is started nowadays. And in this particular thing, you can you will be acting as an intermediator between the consumer and the generators. So licensing with government authorities, as I said, for erection and commissioning, licensing is required with the government authorities. You have to take proper permissions from the government authorities, and for that a licensing officer is required. So he must know the rules, regulations and procedures for the erection and commissioning of any project. So electrical contractor and supervisor, they will be having license. They will be license will be issued from the electrical inspection department of the state, and any electrical engineer can be a supervisor. He need not to appear for the examination conducted by the PWD. So electrical engineer will get license directly from the electrical inspection department. So that is an advantage of electrical engineer. So he will be able to go for license for the contractor firm because of license of supervisor. Means once he get the license from license of supervisor, electrical supervisor, he may apply for the contractor firm license. So opportunities in solar sector. Solar sector is flourishing like anything, and in solar there are a lot of opportunities because central government as well as state government, they are promoting the solar generation, and PM Surya Ghar Yojana or PM Surya Ghar scheme is one of the example of this. Central government is trying to erect 1 crore rooftops, solar rooftops. 10 lakhs they are already crossed. Solar feeders are erected for AG pump feeding. So lot of opportunities are there in solar field. Right now 70 gigawatt is the capacity of our state, of our country, and the renewable energy is 200 gigawatt, which will be 500 gigawatt up to 2030. So you can imagine the scope of job opportunities as well as business opportunities in this particular sector, solar sector. So you will be able to start your own erection commissioning firm in the solar sector. For that, you have to register with MNRE, Ministry of Nano and Renewable Energy. And opportunities in EV, electric vehicle sector. So electric vehicle sector, manufacturing, battery, design, development, R&D. So these are the some of the fields as far as EV sector is concerned, where electrical engineers will be having job opportunities as well as business opportunities. So EV charging stations, they can be erected by electrical engineers. So this is a business opportunity, I would say, for the electrical engineers to go for this EV erection of EV charging stations. So this field is also flourishing like anything. So electrical engineers are much in demand in India due to the rising demand for electrical energy. As you can see, the per capita consumption is 1395 kWh, 1395 in 2023-24, which is 45.8% rise from last 10 years. So there are a lot of job as well as business opportunities as far as electrical engineering concerned. You can take this opportunity and you can opt for this particular field, electrical engineering field. That is what I want to say. That is what from my side. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir. It was really a very in-depth job opportunities related to the electrical sector. Now, I would request Miss Anjali to walk us through the career opportunities related to IT sector. Okay, over to you, Anjali.
Thank you, Vishal sir. And
Yes,
first
yes.
of all, good morning, everyone. And before starting, I would like to throw some light on Bankar sir's and Kulkarni sir's insights. Like such a nice introduction and such an informative insight that how electrical engineering is the mother branch of all the emerging other branches such as IT and computer science, which is exactly true.
Presentation.
And
Can you share the screen?
let me share. Yeah.
Just a minute, Anjali.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So before deep diving into the introduction and how we can switch career from electrical engineering to the IT industry, first of all, I would like to introduce myself because this is important since I transitioned from electrical engineering to the IT industry. And I would tell you like how was my journey, what are the steps I took, what were the challenges, and how I got support from the college, and how I successfully transitioned. And currently, I am experienced as a data professional uh, while holding a degree in electrical engineering. So I'm Anjali, and I am alumni of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, and I have graduated in the year 2021, which was during the challenging times of the COVID-19. And through the college placement, I got into LTI Mindtree as a data engineer. And currently, I'm working as a data operations sustenance engineering at Innovesa. And I have total 4 years of experience. And I would like to walk you throughout the session, like how I secured my position at LTI Mindtree. And I would discuss the opportunities available for the students in the electrical engineering domain And I would elaborate that how one can successfully transition into the IT sector. And I would also provide you with the roadmap, like what will be the transition and what will be the salary package, the challenges, and the like how we can switch careers easily. Yeah. So this is going to be the agenda of our meeting. As I told you, I would let you know the transitions. What are the key IT roles that are available for the electrical engineers? What is the salary packages that the companies are offering to us? What is the roadmap that what steps that we should take, and how to figure out that what is our interest first, then which will eventually help us in getting into our interested roles in the IT industry. And what is the role of Bharti Vidyapeeth in my IT journey? What are the certifications I took for a smooth transition? And of course, there will be challenges and how I overcame them and how one can overcome them. So we are going to discuss that in this meeting. Okay. So transition from electrical to IT. This is the main agenda of our meeting. The IT industry, of course, is booming with endless opportunities. We are getting high salary potential. We are getting career growths. We are getting global opportunities. It's not only limited to like India. We can go abroad using these opportunities and we can make good career out of it. And electrical and IT share the same problem solving logic. There are automation skills that are being used. And because of that, the transition is quite smoother. And we are getting opportunities in AI, which is such a booming field right now, and cloud, cybersecurity, which is highly in demand. But it is not only limited to electrical, because we are making use of the electrical data, and we are performing AI and data analysis over that electrical data. There are many electrical companies which are offering IT roles in the electrical industry. For example, I can give you a few names like Siemens, ABB, Honeywell. They are indulged in the electrical sector, but they are making use of IT solutions so that they can make their progress more, they can make good money out of it. And they are they are not only offering positions to the this experienced professional, but they are also offering this position to the freshers as well. We are also getting high salary potential, better career growth, as I mentioned. And this is, of course, this has a global job market with remote opportunities. When I say remote opportunities, it means you can choose out like whether you want to work completely from home. You want to opt out if you want to opt for a work from office culture. If you are good with engaging with people, you can opt for the work from office one. Or if you just want to stay 2-3 days indoors and you want to attend office, then there is an opportunity called hybrid mode. So you can opt that. Electrical and IT are closely linked, of course, because the logic, the problem solving skills, and the automation skills are being applied in both. Because since the R&D structure, which was mentioned by Kulkarni sir, like EV vehicles are being generated, we are performing R&D, research and development over that. So everywhere, wherever, not only IT industry, any industry, wherever you go, you will have to perform research and development, because there is a growing field for analysts, for AI, for cloud, and the automation skills and the problem solving skills. I think this is being used in any industry. So you just have to be of a mindset that you want to be agile, you will have to be agile. You will have to think outside the box. You will have to come up with innovative ideas. So that is totally up to you. Like how much you want to get into the creation mode and how much you want to put your efforts into it. So let's discuss now like what are the IT roles for electrical engineers. So electrical engineers can pursue roles in software development, in data analysis, AI roles, and they can also go to cloud and networking roles, cybersecurity, IT support, and business and management roles. Currently, I am working in the data role and as a data analyst, But there are several other roles available because this was my interest. So that's why I chose this as a career opportunity. In software roles, you can go to build web and mobile applications. For full stack developer, you can go for backend and front end development. For data analysis, you can make use of data driven decisions. You can analyze the trends, what can be operated, how this can be, how any like EV vehicle can generate great revenue, how it can be useful to the people. So you'll just have to perform analysis on that. There is a role for data scientist as well. If you have interest in AI and you want to choose your career for predictive modeling, you can go for data scientist. For cybersecurity, of course, if you want to protect your networks, you want to stay away from the threats, you can choose this career option. You can also go for IT support engineer if you think that you are good at bug fixing, if you think that you can troubleshoot problems and you can maintain the decorum of the system. You can choose your career in this. Business and management role, of course, it is not just limited to the technical roles, but it also, you can choose your career for management roles. You can use your tech and business insights to make better decisions. You can also go for roles for product managers, and but this will eventually occur after 4 to 5 years of experience. Then we have salaries, like how much salary will one get and what is the transition roadmap. So the salary packages, as I mentioned, that like for entry level, this is till 7 lakhs. But to be honest, if you ask me, it totally depends on your skill. Whatever, how much skills you get, how much you put your efforts into, how much projects you get, projects you make, depending on how your interview goes, depending on that, your salary packages will be there. For mid-level, it is still 10 lakhs, but it can go up to 15 lakhs. One can also secure up to 20 lakh. It totally depends on you. For senior level, who have 6+ of years of experience, but I would mention, I would focus mainly on the entry level. So you can get up to 10 lakhs through our college. Many students got placement till 10 lakhs plus, in fact, till 15 lakhs as well. And you can choose for various locations as well. Also, it is open to pan India. It means that you can choose any city, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, anything, or you can go for remote options, which is work from home. Now it comes to how to transition, like what is the step that I should take. So first of all, this first step what I took was identify your interest. As in, there are several roles available. You need to identify that what you want to work on, what excites you the most, and what do you think is good for your career. And the second step is like, after choosing out your interest, start learning on those skills. For example, I'm in data analyst role. So I acquired skills of Power BI, SQL, and cloud. Then I obtained a certification, which is my third step. I got certification from AZ900, PL900, which is Azure 900. PL900 means Power Platforms 900. So it aligned with my interest and it aligned with my role. So you'll have to do accordingly. Build hands-on experience. It means you will have to perform projects. You will have to make some open source projects. You will have to do some internships, which I also did. And the fifth step is apply for the particular job and internship, whatever you like. For that, you will have to maintain a good LinkedIn profile, I would suggest. And you can use your resume for applying, but also you can use the college placement portal where you can get many opportunities. And the sixth step is keep learning and growing. Like you should have this mindset that okay, I got this job, now my life is set, but it shouldn't be like that. You should always be ready to upskill. So that is the whole mantra. So the next slide is like how Bharati Vidyapeeth helped me in my transition. So it was like, it provided me a strong technical foundation. First of all, the core concepts in electrical engineering that helped me in the problem solving skills, that helped me to build an analytical mindset, which helped me to think that I should think outside the box and I should be always ready to be in the creative mode. The second is interdisciplinarily learning. It means you get exposure to programming, you get exposure to automation, IoT, Internet of Things, that sparked my interest while I was making my projects. So this is how I identified that what later in life I want to do. Then is the experienced faculty and guidance. I got a lot of guidance, a support from the college, from every faculty member, not only from the electrical department, but like the whole college was very supportive. Every mentor is supportive. And the practical exposure, of course, the lab works were held, the hands-on project were there. There were several webinars, seminars, which helped me to know that what real world problems are, and that will help me in solving the real world problem solving skills that I can acquire. The fourth one is the networking and placement support. There is a portal for placements, and where we can connect with our alumni, we can get training sessions. We got different opportunities for placements. So this helped me in my networking. And for overall growth, I would say apart from the academics, you should also acquire some soft skills. You should be good at communication. You should be good at teamwork and adaptability, be agile, not just sticking to one particular role. You should be open to learn new things, open to upskill. And through this, I transitioned into IT. So if I talk about certifications, it totally depends on what IT roles you want to choose. First is the software development. So for software development, I think Udemy is a very, I would say, a very known name through which you can acquire some certifications. For CS from Harvard University also you can get, which is available online. You can get your certifications. As if you want to get into software development, you can acquire CS50 certification. For cloud computing, I acquired AZ900, that is Azure Fundamentals 900. You can also opt for something related to Microsoft Azure or AWS, Amazon. So the third was in networking. Networking, you can go for CCNA or CompTIA Network Plus certifications. For cybersecurity, you can go for ethical hacker courses, and you can also opt for CISSP. The next one is data and AI. So here you can opt for some Power BI certifications, some Tableau certifications. You can use LinkedIn Premium. You can use Udemy, and there are varying other certification centers also. From there, you can opt for a good certification, which will help you in the process. And for project management, you can go for Scrum Master certifications as well. So this will eventually help you. Yeah. So this is a very common question. In fact, I think I appeared for a bunch of interviews, and for in every interview, I was asked that you don't have a CS degree, so how come you want to transition into something which belongs to IT? Since you are from electrical engineering department and you want to switch to IT, like how come is that possible? So the very good thing was that having electrical degree actually added as an advantage in my resume, that in spite of being from the electrical department, I got into IT, and this added as a bonus in my resume, which got me a lot of weightage on my resume. And the interviewers got impressed that I am not only sticking to one role, I can adapt to new like the electrical engineering department, the career opportunities in electrical engineering department are being acquired, and we are being tagged along with the IT industry. They are using IT solutions, as I mentioned, that Siemens, ABB, Honeywell. So this added as a bonus, and I acquired skills and certifications for that. So in the longer race, it only matters that what skills and what certifications you have, like how strongly you want to get into it, and what mindset do you hold. That actually matters in the longer race. And what is the challenge? Like, I don't have experience. Of course, if one comes into the college, joins it, then they will be considered freshers. How can they be considered as someone with having experience? Because every IT industry wants someone with some experience in the IT sector. So you can build projects, you can participate in hackathons, you can apply for internships. So this is how you gain experience in this field for the smooth transition. Now the third challenge is I don't know where to start. So as I mentioned in the last slide, that you need to identify your interest. You need to prepare a roadmap. Like if this is my interest, let's say if my interest is in data, then I want to acquire some skills of that data field, and then I will get an internship in the data field. I will get some certifications in the data field, and then I will opt for, and then I will start applying for the jobs. So, and this systematic learning, and by the support of my mentors, actually, I transitioned, and this is what I followed, and I did not give up on my mindset of learning. I was, every time I'm ready to upskill. So this is how I overcame my challenges, and this is how I transitioned into the IT industry. I would not say that the electrical engineering and IT industry is different. I think both are quite similar, because both of them want to evolve. Like every technology needs some innovation, and that innovation is possible by the mindset one carries. So if in Hindi I say jahan cha hai wahan raah hai, so this is what it is. So if you want to do it, you will definitely do it, and I have shared all my experiences with you. So this is it, I guess.
Yes, thank you, Anjali. It was really a good session. Now, lastly, I now call upon Dr. Deepak Bankar sir to highlight the key features of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering and the structure of electrical and computer engineering program. Over to you, Bankar sir.
Right, thank you. Just let me share my screen once again. Thank you, Anjali, for your nice talk and highlights on opportunities for electrical engineers in IT field, and also whatever challenges you have mentioned and their solution. So definitely it will help the new generation uh, to take such type of roadmaps in future. So now I would like to brief about the Bharati Vidyapeeth and Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be university. So Bharati Vidyapeeth was established on 10th May 1964 by the eminent personality and visionary Dr. Patangrao Kadam Saheb with the vision social transformation through dynamic education. Dr. Patangrao Kadam Saheb was belonging to the rural area and from poor family, but with his vision and leadership to serve the society, he established the Bharati Vidyapeeth at the age of 19 years. And in the constitution of Bharati Vidyapeeth, he mentioned that there will be a university on one day which will provide higher education to the needy students. There are more than 190 institutions spread across India from UG to PhD in every discipline. So his dream comes true in 1996, 26th April 1996, and Bharati Vidyapeeth got a status of deemed to be university. There are currently 43 institutions under the ambit of BBDU, which includes medicine, dentistry, Ayurveda, homeopathy, nursing, pharmacy, law, biotechnology, engineering, management, and so on. University is recently ranked by NAC with its prestigious A++ grade with 3.60 CGPA out of 4, and by NIRF as a 78th rank at all India level. Also, BBDU is recognized as Category 1 university by UGC. Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be University College of Engineering was established in 1983, is a constituent unit of Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be university. College is also ranked among top 100 universities of India successively for 8 years by NIRF, Government of India, and ranked between the band 150 to 200 in NIRF in 2024. We offer 11 graduate, 8 postgraduate programs and doctoral programs in 8 disciplines. Now I would like to brief about the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. The department was established on 10th August 1987. We run 3 programs. One is UG undergraduate, that is BTech Electrical and Computer Engineering. Then MTech Electrical and Power System, and then the PhD in Electrical Engineering. The department is accredited by NBA number of times. Out of the total faculty members, 50% faculty members are the PhD holders, and 5 faculty members have been already registered for the PhD. We have multiple laboratories. Out of that, in 2 laboratories, the industry contribution is there, that is switchgear laboratory and e-vehicle laboratory. Being a deemed to be university, we have the benefit of revising our curriculum as per the latest trends in the industries, latest trends in the market. So currently we have implemented the NEP curriculum, where the guidelines were given in 2020 and the course was implemented in 2023. So this slide shows the courses which we are adopting for BTech Electrical and Computer Engineering. Blue color shows the electrical domain courses and red color shows the courses which are aligned to the computer engineering. So we have a very good blend of electrical and computer engineering during all the 4 years. We have multiple electives, which is a combination of electrical and computer domain too. Also, the institution provides the in-plant training. It is proposed that 6 months in-plant training will be there for the students, and students are usually going to multinational companies as well as state government, central government, and private sectors too. Then we also offer the minor degree. Electrical department offers minor degree in electric vehicle. Also at college level, there are 2 minor degrees. One is artificial intelligence and machine learning, and second one is data sciences. The placement is excellent at Bharati Vidyapeeth. You can see n number of industries are coming for the placement, core industries as well as the IT industries. The criteria definitely will have a good academics and other skill sets to select in such multinational companies. So it's a good opportunity. Explore a BTech in Electrical and Computer Engineering at Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University College of Engineering, Pune, because it integrates the core principle of electrical engineering with cutting-edge computer science applications. So preparing students for dynamic careers at the hardware as well as software innovation. So being a deemed university, we are conducting a separate entrance exam, and this is a schedule for the entrance exam. So student has to apply through online basis. So you can scan the QR code and you can register for the CET. So you can remember these dates for apply the CET as well as for the counseling. For any query, the mail IDs are also mentioned as well as phone numbers are also mentioned. So thank you from our side. Hope we can meet in next academic year.
Okay, as we come to the end of this insightful webinar, I would like to take a moment to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have made this event successful. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Dr. Deepak Bankar for giving us a comprehensive overview of today's topic and for highlighting the key features of Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be University College of Engineering and the structure of electrical and computer engineering program. Your valuable insights and guidance have given us a deeper understanding of the opportunities in both IT and core sectors. A special thanks to Mr. Sandeep Kulkarni for taking the time to explore the various opportunities available in the core sector for electrical engineering graduates. Your real-world experience and in-depth knowledge of the industry have been truly enlightening for our attendees. I would also like to extend my gratitude to Ms. Anjali for elaborating on the exciting career opportunities in the IT sector. Your expertise and passion for the field have certainly provided clarity and motivation for many of our aspiring engineers. Finally, I would like to thank all the participants for being in this webinar. Your engagement and interest have made this event a grand success. I hope the information shared today has been useful in shaping your career decisions and aspirations. So on behalf of everyone, I once again thank to our esteemed experts for their time and valuable contributions. So wishing you all the best for your academic and professional endeavors. Thank you and have a great day.